Assalamu alaikum students. I am Miss Razia Babar. Come with the second chapter of metric class, that is Vice Caliph. The Vice Caliph, second chapter of metric class. The Vice Caliph. It is a story of a beautiful white horse. Two men were fighting over this horse, beautiful horse. One was a rich man and the other was a beggar. Rich man and beggar both were claiming about the ownership of the horse. This dispute of claiming the horse was brought to the court of Caliph Harun al-Rashid. Caliph Harun al-Rashid was very famous for his wisdom and justice in that time. Next is discussion of this chapter. As these two men were fighting over a white horse, both of them were brought to Caliph Harun al-Rashid court. Caliph asked both of these men to touch the horse one by one in front of him. Let the beggar do it first. When the beggar touched the horse, it winced, as the horse didn't like the touch of the beggar. When the rich man touched the horse snorted and neighed with pleasure. Now Caliph Harun al-Rashid come to know or decided that the horse belonged to the rich man, because horse neighed with pleasure with the touch of rich man hand. He handed over the horse to that rich man. The rich man show his kindness towards the beggar, that by giving a handful gold coin to the beggar to help him. This noble action of the rich man pleased everybody in the court. Now, noble action of the rich man. When it was decided that the horse, beautiful white horse, belonged to the rich man, decided by a very wise caliph named Caliph Harun al-Rashid. So, the rich man action was that the rich man was a very noble man, as he was very rich also. So he wanted to help the beggar in that way, that beggar will fulfill his needs. He readily forgave the beggar for blaming about the horse, that the beautiful horse belonged to him, means beggar, and readily gave the gold coins to help the beggar. Now, what lesson you people have learned from this story of a horse, and the discussion and the wise decision taken by Caliph Harun al-Rashid, is that in this chapter we have learned the lesson of forgiving others. Try to help the needy people quietly. Don't show off if you are very rich or you are wealthy. Don't underestimate them. Speak kind words to them. In that way, we will fulfill our prophet message or prophet ordered by Almighty Allah, to help the suffering and needy people in their needs. Now come to the wise caliph, Caliph Harunur Rashid. About the Caliph Harunur Rashid, he was known and respected by the people for his wisdom and justice. At night, he disguise himself, means he changes his clothes, precious clothes, and come disguise himself, change his dress, and come in the rake and go to the street of Baghdad. In that way, he would mix with the common people in order to gain first hand knowledge, means to know the problem of their difficulties which they are facing, or which it can't be reached towards the wise caliph. So he want to gain that knowledge by mixing with the people at night. Now, as this is a story, these two men were going towards the city gate. One was a rich man and the other was a beggar. The beggar was lame and the rich man was riding towards the city gate with his horse. When the rich man going towards the city gate, he saw the lame beggar limping along his side. So when the beggar heard the sound of horse shoes, he turned and asked the rich man to stop and give him the ride. The rich man, as he was very kind, the rich man readily asked him to give him the ride, readily give the ride to the beggar. As he was lame, he felt sorry for him also. When they reached the city gate, he asked the beggar to get down, but the beggar refused to climb down from the horse. The rich man was puzzled, we can say, and gently and kindly told him to get down from the horse. But the beggar was claiming about the horse and told that rich man that the horse belonged to me. So this was happened when they were going towards the city gate. So these two men were brought to the court of Caliph Harun al-Rashid in that way, and the wise decision taken by Caliph Harun al-Rashid court, and this is the real main story of this. Yes, students, this is the story of this beautiful white horse between a rich man and the beggar, and the decision taken by Caliph Harun al-Rashid, and what was the noble action done by the rich man in this story. Now, students, you are having a question and answer at page number 3. These are 10 questions, and notes will be provided to you. Means you have to come and collect the notes from the vice principal office. In that notes you are having additional questions as well, fill in the blanks and RTC of the chapter, and you have to go through this chapter at home and try to learn it. And thank you so much for your time. Have a good day. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.